Okay, so we're here today. We're all four of us gonna be we're gonna be riding all these bikes right here.
More like 4-wheelers.
And we got 2 4-wheelers, 2 dirt bikes. That's an 85. That's a Honda Foreman ES. That's a Honda Recon, and that's a CRF 70. So we're gonna be racing here in a minute. I'll catch y'all guys later. Okay, we're getting ready to go green here. We're on the track, we're getting ready to go green. Next time by, we're going green. Okay, everybody's bunched up. Everybody for a free-for-all. Went off the ground right there. Almost hit the girls. Move, bro. Got a little bit of air time right there, not much. Now I guess it's just a free-for-all play around. Dude, move, bro. Okay, we're gonna be good right here. Oh! Bro, what is that, bro? Don't mind that 4-wheeler that was in front of me. They deer hunt with it, so. Yeah, I'm a rabbit while in the air. I'm a rabbit while in the air. I'm a rabbit while we in the air. Y'all ready? I'm gonna get a better back start. Woo! right there. We're just having fun out here. We're not trying to just like... We're just having fun. Yeah, that's a hunting four-wheeler. I don't know where that other kid went. Okay, coming off the corner. Well, I'll see y'all later. They're gonna keep riding.